Well, good morning. Today is day 5 of our tour of the Erie Canal bicycle trail. And today we have a beautiful day out. The sun is shining and we're going to go about 50 miles from Oneida, New York over to Herkimer, New York. So most of it is on trail, so looking forward to it. We're going to have a good day. Okay, so it's day 5 and we are ready to go. How you feeling?
Ready to go. Feeling great.
I'm feeling great too. So let's hit the road.
All right.
Quite an overhang of trees here. It really darkens the place. Makes it nice and cool riding through here next to the old canal. Ow! That's how that works. Block 21, this is where you can camp if you want. Ryan Van Duzer and Love Cycles camp here. You stay there. Don't get crazy with us now. We don't want to get attacked. Now we're going through a beautiful area of pine trees. The fragrance is so nice. Morning. Morning. Well, this was a great place for us to stop to have some water. We're a little over 9 miles into our trip this morning, and it's really beautiful here. Very open. Oh, there's a turtle. Finally, right there. Oh, the pause that refreshes. We found it. Hi. Roadblock. I guess we're gonna have to go under it. Hello? So, going down the trail here, we don't have our white blinky lights on in the front like we normally have them on when we're on the road. Well, that may be a mistake because we just came across, as the video showed, 2 different people coming at us on this trail in the wrong lane, and we had to raise our voices to keep from a head-on collision. So you can never be too careful. Everyone gets distracted. So from now on, It's blinky light for us. So we have 9 miles to go to get to our hotel, and it's been a long day. So far we've done 47 miles, and it's in the mid-80s and very humid. So time to stop for some water. Yep. So as I go down the trail here, I wanted to share with you how we map out the route. Now, the state of New York puts out a guidebook for the Erie Canal Trail every year, and it shows you the route, and it shows hotels, campgrounds, restaurants, things of that nature, and other points of interest. However, you don't want to be opening that up while you're riding your bicycle. So I've opted to use the app Ride with GPS, and I've taken the route and I put it into my phone, and I've got my phone mounted on my handlebars, and I have Ride with GPS on at all times. So you wouldn't get lost on the trail because it's just a straight shot. But when you get into towns, there's a restaurant you want to go to or your hotel, you can put that in Ride with GPS also. So that's one way of doing it. There are many others. Maps.me, Google Maps, which I've never had really good luck with. Kind of gets you lost. Anyway, that's how I make it down the trail. Banana time. Biggest bicycle symbol I've ever seen. They take their bicycle lane seriously around here. Well, it's the end of day 5, and we arrived at our hotel in Herkimer, New York, and we did 54 miles today. Tonight we're staying at a Red Roof Inn, and the only thing close for dinner is Denny's across the parking lot. So we will go over there. So that's it for today. Tomorrow's another good day, but I think we might get rained on. We'll have to wait and see.